Depending on things like just I get that.
Yeah.
She thinks he's just left the classic.
There's all that scandal years ago, wasn't there, when someone else came.
Yeah.
But Jamie and them,
When you start doing stuff like recently, though,
Yeah.
started England versus charity.
Yeah.
oh yeah, I wouldn't do it, I'm not going to the end finance. But I wouldn't play that. I think she
Please familiarise yourself with the safety notices displayed throughout the train. The next stop will be Birmingham New Street.
I'm not surprised. I'm surprised by that.
But then the next thing, we're on the yacht together.
They weren't at any of these pictures. You know, we had quite a few different shapes. They weren't at any of them. I think that's where it's all coming from.
They're normally really close, yeah.
She goes to a she goes to like tropical songs. I want to say. I'm just moving because I have to deal with the situation. And he's like, Jamie, I haven't spoken to Jamie about it because it wasn't, to be fair to Jamie, I'm not friends with Jamie. He doesn't, I probably can't tell Jamie I'm going to do something about it. No, my honest opinion is that I might just say to my thinking to myself, like, I need to talk my dog a bit more, like, I don't, there isn't a loyalty between and Dan texts me
They're really bad now. Rather than trying to go on top of
Yeah, yeah.
It's not like a strange thing. They are meant to be, but yeah, they're not great. So I went to see it works really nice one round, and she suggested, she said, I could have like, she said that my suggestion was like,
Yeah.
It's not like that, it's like little things like when they've she was left early and stuff like, oh right,
Well, it's not that day. Somebody's got it. And then when she came fishing for the weekend, like a couple of months ago, she kept bumming out in lip gloss on.
you know that you shouldn't trust it.
I was like, yeah, when that thing and then I realised that actually the shine went, but the colour was, and I was like,
And then I'm told to do her, she's
and I thought it was like a mixed picture of just said it's there. It's just there. That is amazing.
It's just bad.
so what she's going to get in the habit. Yeah, right, so that's what I said to her. So that's my concern. You know, when you see some of them have got really strong back.
She had a really pale pink.
Right, so now what she's going to do is find the darkest part of her lip.
Right.
And match that colour. So that they're all even. But the reason why I want it done is I've lost my cupid today, I've lost my line. So it'll just give it a bit more shade.
Yeah. Is that the same person?
Yeah, it's the same person for the brows. It works really, I'll show you the work, it works really, really
Yeah, because then I was, because the other thing, because I don't do anything, and I said, so,
They were people I'm friends with. Now they're done. They would
not that I'm a There's where Sarah's living. There's a competition in there.
I think I have done
And she did. The woman who, one of the old women that works in the shop, she did lashes, but natural lashes. Because his mother was going on holiday, she said, just wanted to be able to put mascara on. And then just because the shop was quiet and the house she said, she looked at that. She said, you did it she was like 9 years old. Well, honestly, look, just like you've just got the mascara on, nothing else. All
You know,
that's what I want.
I get mine. I don't get false ones, but I don't wear mascara. Every now and again I do it. If I'm going out in the evening sometimes, I just can't. It smudges and it gets my eyes, and I'm not very good with mascara. So like before I go on holiday or before I've got something big cleaner, I get mine coloured and curled.
So then I was having this conversation with Sophie saying I might get that done for France. And just so that that's it.
I've got it on my phone.
And then the next day she texted me, she went, I've been thinking about it. And she said, I don't think you should have false lashes. I don't think you'd like it. I think you should have LVL, which is, she says they like, they bend it and it stays bent type thing, and that makes them look fuller. So she said, I think you should have that. And I said, right. But again,
We are now approaching Birmingham New Street. Our final station.
I'll do that then. Also, I don't want that.
I've not had mine done for a month or so, but I get it done in places like outside the
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
I've got to book it in because I've given it, don't worry, that's not the colour on. She just chose any colour to put on it, so I had to have a patch test. So she's done a patch test just to make sure it doesn't. She said, I'm just using any colour.
Yeah.
Just to make sure.
I'll get back. I think it's just
Oh, I don't know, mate.
a long day, isn't it?
It's very good to have the legs colour. Because there's one thing that
This is changing.
what lipstick on.
And it just vanishes.
You didn't say about the work from home.
And then I said to her, so we're having this conversation, like, well, if I have my eyelashes done, I need to be doing the eyelashes now. Not because the pattern has some ages, so I don't look crochet. And it's not that I want my dark hair, I just thought, I need, it's not going to be balanced if I have like, you know what I mean? It's like,
And then I might need a boob job.
yeah. So that's a job,
Yeah, you said that since we lose 2 stone.
well, you pay for it. Look at you. Oh no, I wouldn't have it done. Too old.
With a friend of mine having a job, to take it off.
It was painless and risk-free and everything.
Have you ever had cold sores?
No.
In a straight to
Because the woman said, well, the trauma, if you have cold sores before, can cause cold sores. She said, I can't believe that. She said, what I'd suggest is when you have it done, that there's a community having
Oh, do you get that?
carry cold sore cream around with you.
Yeah.
She says, and then if you feel a slight tingle, get it straight on.
Yeah.
But I think we'll probably
She says,
too
because
late
if you
for
end
it.
up with new ones now,
Oh, you want yourself.
So
I can get some of the shots while we're out. We can, but you might get dinner time.
First time she got to the morning now.
Yeah, well, it could be late.
It lays dormant at the end of the nerve. And then you get trauma.
Yes.
Only gets them when he's sunburned.